Hi friends, today's topic is how to fatten your purse. Only a great desire for wealth can make your purse fatten. Few people know how to acquire wealth. Most of others lack the knowledge of acquiring wealth. Now I am going to tell you few golden rules to make your purse fatten. The first one is each 10 coins you put in your purse but spend only 9. It is a law of gods. In this way more money will pour into your purse. The next one is control the expenditure by controlling your desires. It will help to protect the growing treasure. Necessary expenses will always grow to equal our incomes unless we protest to the contrary. If we study thoughtfully our accustomed habits of living, we can reduce or eliminate certain unwanted expenses. Do not regret for multitude of unsatisfied desires. Make budget for the necessary expenses. Do not touch the 1/10th coin that is fattening your purse. Make your money multiply. Merely saving will earn nothing. Put your savings into labor. It will work for you even you sleep. So treasure will increase. Guard your treasure from loss. The first sound principle of investment is security of your capital amount. Do not go for larger profits where your capital amount may be lost. The penalty of risk is probable loss. Before you give loan to any man, assure yourself of his ability and reputation to repay. Before you invest in any field, acquaint yourself with the dangers which may be beset it. Better consult the wisdom of those experienced in handling money for profit. Try to have your own house to reduce your cost of living. Make your home a profitable investment. Do not spend more money in rental house by giving it to landlord. Buy your own house. Make a garden in your house which helps your family living. When man eats fruits of his own garden, it will give more happiness. Ensure a future income. No one knows how long we will be in this world. So we need to make preparation for a suitable income in the upcoming days. There are diverse ways by which man will provide with safety for his future and protection of his family. A man may buy houses or lands for this purpose. Increase the ability to earn. Learn more skills to make your income increase. The more of wisdom we know, the more we may earn. You can consult and exchange knowledge with others. There is more wealth in this world. You can go and practice these golden rules that may prosper and grow your wealth. Teach these golden rules to other fellow men and let them also plant their own purse, the seed of wealth. It will make you all purse fatten. Thanks for watching. Please do like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.